Hello friends and welcome back to Intellect Digest. I'm your host Rohit Khurana and this here is the HMD Fusion. Well, Nokia has rebranded their smart devices to HMD now, and this is the HMD Fusion. As you can see here, it comes with very interesting sort of accessories which are called outfits, and it connects with the phone with a very interesting connection. These are the Pogo connection, and this device is called Fusion because it can fuse with these accessories and change shape. Well, literally, it can have additional functionalities, and this phone is a very interesting value proposition. Well, if you look at the MRP on this box is around 22,999, which is around 23,000, and this one has around 5k and this one is around 5k. So MRP of these three devices together is around 33k. And guess how much you have to pay if you're buying now from Amazon. I'm leaving the Best Buy link below. If you buy from Amazon, all these three devices together are going to cost you 16,000 rupees. Yes, that's around the half of the sticker price. Well, individually, this is for 3k, this is for 3k, and this is for 18k. But there's a 2,000 rupees discount going on. So you get all three because this you pay 16,000 and you get these two free. So that's a very killer value proposition. Please buy it while it lasts. If you want to buy this phone, this is a very good time. Let me unbox all these three products for you one by one, and we're gonna show you what all you get in the box, and I'll give you my quick impressions about these. So first up, we open this phone box itself. It has some very interesting features, and one of them, which is very unique, being the repairability. The back of this phone opens and all you need is a screwdriver to open the back. So the first thing in the box that you get here is the phone itself, and this is the HMD Fusion. It comes with this outfit which they call casual outfit. In fact, this is a cover which is pre-applied, which they are calling casual outfit. Once you remove it, this is the phone in its bare bone structure, as you can see here, and this is how it looks. The screen size that you get here is 6.56 inches, and it's an HD display with the 1612 by 720p resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. You get the power and volume keys on this side, and the power button also doubles up as your fingerprint scanner. And on the other side, you get a SIM card ejection tray, which is a hybrid tray, so you can either have two SIM cards or one SIM and one micro SD. There is this top microphone, and on the bottom you have 3.5mm audio port. Yes, this is a very rare thing to see these days. A Type-C charging port, another microphone, and the speaker grill. And on the back is this pronounced HMD or human mobile devices badging with the HMD logo, and two camera sensors, one of which is a 108 megapixel whooping 108 megapixel sensor, and other is a 2 megapixel depth sensor that you get here. And on the front you get a 50 megapixel selfie sensor. So I'll keep this to the side. This is the back cover or the outfit that you get. Let's dive into the box and see what else we get. I'll set up the phone and show you in a little bit. Let's first check out these contents that we have. So it says one phone, multiple identities. This is meant to represent the fusion nature of this phone. And here in this small box you get some extra leaflets which tells you the user manual and warranty information, and you get a pin for the SIM ejection. And here you have a charging cable, which is interestingly Type-C to Type-C. And what else? We get a power brick, and this one out of the box is a 33 watt Type-C power brick that you get in this box. So that's pretty much it in the box. Let me open the accessories also, or outfits as they call it, and I'll show you quickly, and later on we'll test them out with the phone also. And this is the gaming outfit. So to open this, I just have to access the box from here, and here it comes. It comes with this outfit, which is this sort of spring-loaded slide out, and these are the pins that connect to your box. And let me remove these foam pieces, and here you have a proper game controller like control here. Very tactile. The buttons are also fairly tactile. I hope you can hear. They make very nice clicky sounds. So there's this button 1, button 2, button 1, button 2 on this side. these sort of controllers on both the sides, and apart from that, XYAB buttons, a D-pad sort of controller, a T button here, a H button here, and you get these two buttons up top. So this is a full-fledged game controller, and if I'm not wrong, this also pairs with some of the Android televisions. Here is a quick start guide and warranty manual which is included, and there is also a cable included here. As you can see, this is a type A to type C. Apart from that, if you look closely, you will find a type C port here and a headphone out jack here. So when the phone is connected, you can connect your wired headphones with the phone for your superior gaming experience. And this is the other accessory which they call flashy. So let's take this HMD flashy out of the box. And as you can see, it comes with this cool blue color, a rubberized sort of texture, very nice to touch, soft. And this thing is actually a ring flash which will turn on once I connect it with the phone. This side has nice texture to it. Itself, it feels quite high quality, and the build quality of this thing is definitely premium. It is definitely a very solid, nicely built accessory which you get as complimentary for the time being as an offer. So let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. I'll quickly set it up and get back in a moment. And here we are after a quick setup, and right off the bat you can see that as you unlock this phone, you see that the home screen has a custom skin on it which is kind of sporty and has this gaming sort of icons and the wallpapers. And the first thing that you might have noticed is that I've put on this flashy outfit, which is the cover that came with it as an accessory, and this has this flash ring. So for that, I'll just go to the camera app, and here you can see this controller which turns on this light. And interestingly, this is a swiveling light, so when you are taking the selfies, you can use this ring light to illuminate your face. And there is a customization available, so you can increase or decrease the intensity of the ring. You can also change the colors, and it has this customization feature with which you can change it to whatever color that you like. So let me quickly show you. So this is a tone of red and sort of pinkish, as you can see, and it comes with a lot of customization that you can do. And if you go to favorites, you can add favorites. So for example, if you like any particular 3 or 4 shades, you can do that, and you can set the brightness from here. You can turn it on or off, and you can take some very interesting shots. There is a 108 megapixel rear camera, and there is a 50 megapixel front facing camera on this device. Apart from that, it is powered by a Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, which comes with an octa-core processor with 2 high-performance 2.2 GHz A78 cores and 6 efficiency, which is 2 GHz A55 cores, along with 8 GB of RAM as standard and 256 GB of internal storage, which has been provided in this. And you can really have some very interesting photos with this accessory. Let us also try on the other one, which is the gaming accessory, which comes with it, which is this game controller. And let's see how it transforms this phone. So for that transformation, I'm just gonna remove this one. It's a snug fit, and you have to align these pins with the pins here on the accessory. And you remember, this is spring loaded, so you just push it like this and your game controller is ready. Here you have your phone, which comes with a full size game controller. Once you have this connected and you are playing and you want to put it to charging while you are playing without disturbing your gameplay, you can accept the charging port here, type C, and you can have your headphones here. And this is how it looks from the back. It has this texture here for better grip so that it does not slip out of your hand. You can very easily access all these buttons, and you have the entire screen visible. In fact, you are playing first-person shooter games, etc. You can have your full focus on the screen, and it comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which gives you very sharp and crisp graphics also. So my first impressions for 16,000 rupees, this is a killer deal, and in fact it is coming with accessories for limited time. So make sure, if you want to buy it, this is a good time. Check out the link in the description for the best buy for the HMD Fusion. This is all we have on our first impression and unboxing. If you have any specific questions, do write to us in the comment section. Let us know if you have any specific queries. We'll try to come up with follow-up videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.